Gravity filling. This film shows how to perform oil level check and gravity filling on the CFM56 A340 engines. On panel 145 VU, put a warning notice in position to tell people not to start the engines. On panel 285 VU, make sure that the on legends on the engine FADEC ground power push-button switches are off. Put a warning notice to tell people not to power supply the FADEC system. On the panel 125 VU, make sure that the engine master switches are in the off position. Put a warning notice to tell other people not to power supply the ECU. Put the access platform in position on the left side of the engine. Warning: let the oil tank pressure bleed off for at least 5 minutes and make sure you perform the filling within 30 minutes after engine shutdown. Open the oil access tank door. Check the oil level on the sight gauge and add oil if the level does not reach the full mark. Make sure that the oil tank scupper is clean to prevent contamination of the tank during the servicing operation. Clean the scupper with a lint-free cloth before you remove the oil tank filler cap. Move the handle of the oil tank filler cap to the unlocked vertical position. Firmly hold the handle, push down and turn counterclockwise to disengage the locking device and remove the cap. Before you add oil, make sure that the oil in the tank does not smell of fuel and that the opening of the container used to fill the tank is not contaminated. Through the oil tank filling port, add engine oil up to the full mark. Make sure the ring seal is in good condition before you reinstall the oil tank filler cap. If not, replace the seal before closing the oil tank. With the handle in the vertical position, push down the cap and turn clockwise to engage the locking device. Pull up the oil tank filler cap to check that the locking device is properly engaged and the cap cannot be removed. Then, push the cap handle down flat into the locked position. Make sure that the work area is clean and clear of tools and other items, then close the oil tank access door. Remove the access platform and the warning notices.